So, today's word of the day in Russian is kitchen. We're starting with the kitchen because, as a guy, the way to a man's heart is through his stomach. All right, the word is
Кухня.
кухня. Кухня. And something interesting about this word, just a really quick funny story. When I first met my fiance in person, after we'd been talking for several months, one of the first things she asked me, just as a way of making conversation, was, "What do you think of Ukrainian kitchen?" So this is interesting because this word kuchnya in Russian actually means two things in English. It can mean the room, the kitchen. That's how we use it in English. But in Russian, it also means the type of cooking that is part of a country. So, like, I would say Ukrainian cooking or Russian cooking or Italian cooking. We could also say something like Italian food. So, what she was asking me is, what do you think of Ukrainian food? But when she asked me this, I thought it was a little bit of a strange question because I was sitting in the kitchen. So naturally, when she asked, I started looking around the room, and I was trying to find some kind of a difference. She thought I was ignoring her. So then suddenly, when I responded, "It looks like a normal kitchen to me," she was quite surprised to find that I had been trying to discover any differences between the room kitchen in Ukraine and the room kitchen in America. When all along, she was asking me about the kinds of food. So, an important thing to remember if someone asks you, "What do you think of Russian kitchen, Ukrainian kitchen, whatever country that they use kuchnya," it might actually be referring to the kind of food and not the room. Thanks for watching my channel, The Travlin Prof. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Our plan is to release another word of the day 6 days a week. And then on the seventh day, we'll have a review of all the words we've learned during the week. So watch this video today. Look for a new one tomorrow. We'll see you again tomorrow. But until then, get curious and start digging.
Кухня. Кухня.